Happy Pride Month ng people! Happy Pride sa lahat ng malaya, sa lahat ng mga nag-aantay pang lumaya, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa pinapalaya pero nagdadasal ng makalaya na. Happy Pride sa ating lahat. Happy Pride sa lahat ng members ng LGBTQIA+ community! Sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa LGBTQIA+ community, sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak, pamilya, magulang, kapatid at kaibigan ng ating komunidad, binabati ko kayong lahat. Happy Pride sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat, Meme Vice Ganda. At ito po ang announcement namin. Through your generosity and support, we have raised a total of 700,000 pesos. At idodonate po natin yan sa Love Yourself! Yay! And because every act of kindness deserves to go even further, our friends from Mentor Incorporated have decided to make tonight even more meaningful. They are officially increasing that amount to 1 million pesos! Napakahusay! And at this point, may we invite our partner from Love Yourself to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Doc Vin! Doc Vin! Palong-palo naman yung Love Yourself! And it is only fitting that this check be presented by someone who has continuously used her voice, her platform, and her heart to uplift the community. As one of this year's White Party Manila Volunteer Ambassadors and our beloved Meme ng White Party Manila, Vice Ganda presents this donation to Love Yourself. Picture, picture! We have a moment for this photo opportunity, for this momentous event. Thank you very much, congratulations, and thank you for the life-changing work that Love Yourself continues to do for community. Bati ka naman, Doc Vin.
Hello, White Party Manila! Maraming salamat po, and always remember to stay safe, get yourself tested, visit any of our Love Yourself centers all over the Philippines. 75 na po sila. Sa mga tao pong takot, meron na rin po kaming virtual clinic. Lahat po ng services natin, libre. Mabuhay ang mga bakla! Let's play the word bakla and tomboy. Dati derogatory sila, ngayon, it's empowering. Pag bakla ka, magaling ka, matalino, and you deserve everything.
Maraming salamat, mga bakla! Thank you so much sa lahat ng tulong ninyo. Thank you, Doc Vin, and our beloved Meme. Maraming salamat para sa presence mo. Thank you for helping us present our donation.